to explain why preemptive measures were not in place to handle this year's flu season. This comes after the Royal Hobart Hospital yesterday announced it had cancelled some elective surgeries to free up beds.
The opposition questioning why the government was ill-prepared for this year's flu season.
A university project almost cost a Melbourne student his life when he jumped into freezing water to save his crashed zone.
Joe has succumbed to a very sore throat. Now to a remarkable hospital bedside interview.